Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to be featuring some hair color trends and ideas that you can play around with this summer season. First up, we have a hair clip from behind the chair showcasing some of the contrasting hair color trends that we're seeing floating around at the moment. Diffused versus more bold. So the diffuse variations would include like a pop of color or the money piece highlight trend, and it's more of like a simplified way to rock contrasting hair. These are absolutely gorgeous. And then we have someone rocking the trend in the form of the money piece highlight look, blonde in the front, brunette in the back. And this is one of my favorite ways that you can wear the contrasting color trend. It's just so much fun. And then we have some hot hair cut ideas. So we have long layers, some pixie styles, mullet, shaggy lob, another lob variation. And then of course, if you have curly hair, you can rock the trend as well. Then we have some bobs. So we're seeing a lot of mini bobs this season, jaw length style bobs, a lot of face framing overall, bangs being mixed in, layers, so much fun. And then we're going to take a look at this hair color transformation. So she is also rocking the contrasting trend. The stylist mixed in some layers, and she has more of like the undercolor look with the platinum going here. Then once again, that layered haircut trend. Really showcasing more of like a wolf cut style. And then we have the blonde hair color trend. So this is a lighter brunette hue, followed by this short and sweet pixie style. Followed by a hair color transformation. So the stylist is going to be adding some red to her strands. This is another very popular hair trend that we are seeing for the spring and summer season. Oh, so gorgeous. Wow, beautiful bangs added in the front. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist did a layered look with bangs for this style. And then we have a look at the platinum pixie trend. This one features some beautiful finger waves. Nice retro way to wear bowed hair. So pretty. And then we have another layered hairstyle. Beautiful face framing highlights. Then we have a bob haircut transformation. This is a gorgeous structured bob, complete with blunt bangs in the front. So pretty, so chic and stylish, definitely a fashion forward look. And then we have someone else trying red colored hair. Beautiful copper red tone, wow. Curtain bangs in the front. This is such a gorgeous color. And then we have a long to short transformation. Oh, wow. So she also went copper, got some beautiful layers put in. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous lob haircuts. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.